Hello everyone and welcome to day 9 of craftmas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pom-pom baubles. Okay, this is a super easy one to do, and all you're going to need is some wool or yarn, whatever you want to call it, and a pair of scissors and obviously your hand or hands. And that's all you need for this. It's really easy, and I got really addicted to making these, and I've made like quite a few. I couldn't stop myself. So all you're going to need is obviously your wool. You're just going to cut one strand off first, and that's going to be your hanging thing, your hanging loop. So put that to one side for now, and then we're going to take the rest, and you're going to get your 4 fingers and just kind of start looping it around, and just keep going around and around until you get a really nice thick layer. There are special tools and little gadgets you can use. I think you can use a fork and some cutlery and stuff, but it's not necessary. You can just use your hand and you get just as good of a pom-pom as any other, really. And it saves you having to buy anything or fanny on with anything else. You just want to keep going. Obviously, the more you use, the bigger your bauble will be and the thicker your bauble will be. The less you use, it'll be a bit sparse and a bit sad. So it just depends, and just keep going and going. And obviously you can use any colours you want. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. Whatever your preference is. Whatever colour scheme you're going for your tree. And then you want a nice kind of big bunch like that. And you just want to cut it off. You just want to slide that off. And obviously keep your hole there. Then we're going to take our piece of wool we cut before and just place it over the top like that. And then you want to take your 2 ends and then just tie it down as tight as you can. This will be a bit tricky because you want this really tight, because otherwise it'll all kind of unpick. Hold that bottom bit the best you can with your finger. And this is when like the fancy tools and stuff will come in handy, but it's really easy not to use it. Tie a second knot, and then you want to tie a 3rd one, and maybe even a 4th one, like that. And just hang on to these strings, and you want to take your scissors and go through the loops and just cut all the kind of loops so they pop open. Just obviously be careful not to cut the 2 long strings that you've got. Just keep going through and make sure you don't miss any. And then obviously it looks a bit like raggy and messy. So what you can do is you just cut it to a more circular shape. Just tidy it up a little bit. You don't have to do this part if you like it quite shaggy. It's up to you. And then with the 2 ends we've still got, we want to just tie it into a loop, because obviously this is what we're going to be using to hang onto our tree. So I'll do about 3 knots. Cut any excess off. There we go. Then it's a bit big there as well. Right. And there's that one there for you. But what I'm going to show you is you can actually mix the colours too. So that's just a plain white one. Get rid of this. Alright, so for this one I'm going to be mixing 3 different colours. So again, you just want to start it with a piece of string, and then you want to choose 3 colours, or however many colours, that you want to mix together. And you want to start the whole process again, just by spinning it round. That'll do. Chop that off. And you slide it off. And then just the same thing again. You just want to put it on top of your string. Tie a knot. Nice and tight as you can get it. Tight again. Again. And hold on to them. And go through and cut all these loose bits. Again, tie a knot in this one, and you're going to chop any excess off. Obviously this one's going to have a lot more excess because it's a bigger one. The thing is as well, you can get completely addicted to kind of going through and trimming and trimming. It's hard to find when to stop, but there we go. And you've got like a nice multi-toned one there as well. Obviously I ran out of white, but that white would run all the way through if I hadn't. It looks pretty cool. Looks pretty decent. And obviously I got really addicted to making these. So I've got loads of different ones. Some white ones, some black ones, some bright green ones, some strange kind of... You can play around with the pattern. That one's quite a cool one. A little red and green one. That one kind of looks like a Halloween one. But yeah. So we'll hang these on the tree behind and get that decorated. Okay, and hopefully you enjoyed that video. It's a really easy one to do and it's really addictive, and you can kind of play around with all the colours and the textures and increase the size. And you don't need any fancy tools or anything, you just need your hand and a pair of scissors. Dead simple. But if you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure to tune in tomorrow for day 10 of Craftmas. So I'll see you then. Bye!